Sri Gurubhyo Namaha, children. Welcome to our online class. Today we are going to see exercise 2.5. Solve these word sum. This is a number story sum. Listen, read the question first. You try to understand what is given, what is asking. So you want to try to understand this mean. After you have to do the sums. Listen carefully. This is children. There are 1672 trees in one orchard. Orchard means fruit. Lot of fruit trees in one place mean that is called as a orchard. In Tamil, Padathotam, you say that is many number of fruit trees in one place is mean that called as a orchard. So there are 1672 trees in one orchard and 1296 trees in another orchard. Are you okay? How many trees are there in the two orchards? So how many trees are there in the two orchards? Combine the two orchards. How many trees totally you have to do mean? Then you have to addition. Now listen children, answer. Number of trees in one orchard. How many trees in one orchard? 1672. Then number of trees in another orchard? 1296. Now you have to add both of the orchard trees. Listen. 6 plus 2 what? In 6 plus 2? 6 plus 2, 8. What is your answer? 6 plus 2, 8. Are you okay? This 9 plus 7, you count and tell children. Nine plus 7, 16. So what is your answer? 16. 6 only right here. Carry 1 to the next column. 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus this 1, 9. So you have to write 9 here. Then 1 plus 1, 2. So totally 2 orchards. How many trees in the 2 orchards, children? 2968. How many total number of trees? 2968 trees in 2 orchards. Now 2968 trees in 2 orchards. There are 2968 trees in the 2 orchards. Are you okay, children? So what is their question? Number of trees in one orchard and number of trees in the another orchard. So you want to find out how many trees are there in the 2 orchards. Okay. Then you have to add and find out the number of trees in the 2 orchards. Then come to the next sum. Ajay had 2756 stamps. Stamps, have you seen the stamps in your postcard, post letter? There is one symbol is in your post letter, postcard, that is called a stamp. Okay. Ajay had how many number of stamps? 2756 stamps. He collected 2362 more stamps in the summer vacation. Summer vacations mean when the summer vacations you have in May month. Holiday in May month holiday, you know, that is called a summer vacation. May month holiday is the summer vacation. During the summer vacation, Ajay collected more number of stamps. How many number of stamps? 2362 more stamps he collected during the summer vacation. So how many stamps did he have now? Now how many stamps he have? So you want to add this both number of stamps you want to add. Then you get the total number of stamps. Okay. Number of stamps Ajay had. How many number of stamps? Yeah, tell me. 2756. Yeah, good. Then he collected more stamps in summer vacation. How many stamps during the summer vacation he collected? 2362. Now you want to add both the number of stamps. Okay. 2 plus 6. Tell me the answer. 2 plus 6, 8. Then 6 plus 5, 11. So if you have to 1 here, 1 carry to the next column. 3 plus 7, 10. 10 plus this one, 11. So 1 here, 1 carry to the next column. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus this carry 1, 5. So totally how many stamps Ajay had? 5,118. 5,118 stamps in the total number of stamps Ajay had. Okay. Ajay has 5,118 stamps. Total number of stamps how much? 5,118. Are you understood, children? Ajay already had 2,756 stamps. During the summer vacation, he collected 2,362 more stamps. So totally how many stamps does he have mean? You have to add the number of both number of stamps you want to add, you get the answer. Are you okay? Now move on to the third sum. Geeta has saved rupees 4,775. Geeta, a girl Geeta, how much money he was to save? 4,775 rupees Geeta has saved. Then Shanti, another girl. Shanti has saved rupees 2,680. And Mala has saved rupees 1,998. Then how many money they saved in all? All means what? Geeta, Shanti, Mala. These three of them, how many money you want to saved? That only you want to find. How many money that saved all means you have to add. Now 8 plus 0, 8. Again 8 plus this 5. Remove the finger, 5 fingers. After 8 you count after number, children. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So what is 8 plus 5? 13. So 3 only here. 1 carry to the next column. Now 9 plus 8. Count and tell the answer, children. 9 plus 8. 17. 17 plus this 7. 24. 24 plus this 1. 25. So you want to write 5 here. So 2 carry to the next column. Now 9 plus 6. 15. Good. 15 plus this 7. 22. 22 plus this 2. 24. So you want to write 4 only here. Again 2 carry to the next column. 1 plus 2. 3. 3 plus 4. 7. 7 plus this 2. 9. So 9. So total number of money, these three girls, total number of money saved, how much of money? 9,453. 9,453. Geeta, Shanti and Mala have saved rupees 9,453. Are you okay, children? Listen once again, I repeat. Geeta has saved rupees 4,775. Shanti has saved rupees 2,680. And Mala has saved rupees 1,998. So how many money have they saved in all? So you want to add these numbers, children. So you get the answer. Now move on to the fourth sum. Listen the question. In a garden, how many houses having a garden? Tell me. Your house have a garden? Yes. What are the plants in your house? rose, hibiscus, tulsi. Okay, good. So in this question, in a garden, there are 2375 rose plants. In the garden, there are 2375 roses and 1642 marigolds and 2417 lilies. Okay, so how many flowers are there in the garden? This is very big garden, I think so. So many flowers and number of flowers also more. So total number of flowers you want to find out. Now listen, NO dot I here write in means this is the meaning of you. How do you read this? This number. How do you read this? Number. NO dot means you have to read number. Number of roses. How many number of roses? 2375. Number of marigolds. 1642. Number of lilies. 2417. Now you want to add all of these, children. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. 9 plus 5, 14. So you have to write 4 only here. One carry to the next column. 1 plus 4, 5. Good. 5 plus 7, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So you want to carry 1 to the next column. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 plus this one, 14. So you have to write 4 here. One carry to the next column. Okay, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus this one, 6. So total number of flowers in the garden, how many number of flowers? 6432 flowers. Totally 6434 flowers. The garden has 6434 flowers. Total number of flowers in the garden. How many number of flowers? 6434. Are you okay, children? I once again read the question. In a garden, there are 2375 roses, 1642 marigolds, and 2417 lilies. How many flowers are there in the garden? So you want to add all the flowers. So you have to find out the answer. You get the answer. The garden has total number of flowers 6434 flowers in the garden. Are you okay, children? Are you understood the sums? Thank you, children.